Want to clear your Google search history and keep your browsing private? Whether you're trying to remove specific searches, delete everything, or set up automatic history deletion, Android makes it easy to manage your Google activity. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to delete your Google search history on Android. Let's get started. Every time you search for something on Google, your search history is stored in your Google account and linked to your device. While this can help personalize search results, it also means that Google keeps track of everything you look up. If you want to remove your search history for privacy reasons, there are multiple ways to do it. To delete your search history, start by opening the Google app on your Android phone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. You can directly here delete the last 15 minutes search history. If you want to delete something older, then select Search History from the menu. This will take you to the Google My Activity page where you can see a list of all your past searches. From here, you can scroll through and tap Delete, the X button, next to any search you want to remove. If you want to delete your entire search history, tap on the Delete button, then select Delete All Time to erase everything. Google will ask for confirmation before permanently deleting your data. If you only want to delete searches from a specific time period, you can choose Delete Last Hour, Delete Last Day, or a custom date range. For those who don't want Google to store their search history at all, you can disable tracking completely. On the Google My Activity page, tap Saving Activity, then turn off the toggle for web and app activity. This prevents Google from storing future searches, keeping your browsing private. If you use Google Chrome for web searches, you can clear your browsing history separately. Open the Chrome app, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and select History. Here, you will see a list of all websites and searches you've visited. You can look on the sites you visited and delete anyone you want. Also, you can tap Clear Browsing Data, then select Browsing History and Cached Images and Files if you want to remove stored data. You can choose to delete history from the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or all time, depending on your needs. For extra privacy, you can enable auto-delete, so Google automatically clears your search history after a set period. Go to the Google My Activity page, tap Auto-delete, and select how often you want your history to be removed. You can choose between every 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. Once set, Google will automatically erase your search data, so you don't have to do it manually. If you ever want to recover your search history, keep in mind that once deleted, it cannot be restored. Make sure you only delete searches you no longer need. Clearing your Google search history is an easy way to protect your privacy, free up space, and keep your browsing habits private. Whether you delete searches manually, clear everything at once, or set up automatic deletion, these methods help you stay in control of your data. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. See you in the next one.